If your child's teacher has ever sent back their work, can't read this. Or if your child loses marks despite knowing the answer, then this video is going to change everything for your family. Stay with me till the end because I'm going to reveal the 5 scientific proven reasons why children have illegible handwriting and exactly how to fix each one. Welcome to the Mind Soul Codes. I am Jugpreet Singh, a handwriting analyst and a graphotherapist and a mind coach. Today we are diving deep into something that affects millions of children worldwide but is almost never talked about seriously in schools or homes. Illegible handwriting. First, let me bust the biggest myth. There is no such thing as bad handwriting. There is only one illegible handwriting, and illegible handwriting is always fixable with the right scientific method. Handwriting is a science, and like any science, there are specific elements that determine whether handwriting is legible or not. Let me walk through all five. Element number one, letter formation. This is about whether the shape of each letter is consistent and correct. Many children develop wrong stroke habits early on. They form letters in the wrong direction or they create inconsistent shapes. When this happens, even the child struggles to read their own writing later. Element number two is connectivity. How letters join to form words. Broken connectivity makes writing look fragmented and choppy. Proper connectivity actually speeds up writing because the pen doesn't have to lift as frequently. Element number three is zones. Every line has three zones: upper, middle, and lower. Letters like H, L, B go to the upper zone. Letters like A, E, O stay in the middle zone, and letters like G, Y, P in the lower zone. When letters don't respect their zones, writing becomes uneven and confusing. Element number four is spacing. Two types: letter spacing and word spacing. Too little spacing and words merge too much and the sentence look fragmented. Correct spacing is like the breathing room in the writing. It makes everything instantly more readable. Element number five is speed. This is the hidden exam performance killer. Writing speed. Total words divided by total time taken. If a child writes too slowly, they can't finish papers on time. Too fast without control and legibility suffers. The sweet spot is age appropriate speed with full letter formation. Now, let me share with you what happens when these five elements are mastered. Academically, study shows legible handwriting can improve exam scores by 10 to 20% for the same answers because examiners can actually read and appreciate the content. Cognitively, when a child writes by hand, multiple brain regions activate simultaneously. Memory improves, focus improves, concentration improves. Emotionally, when a child is proud of their handwriting, their overall confidence skyrockets. They participate more, engage more, and learn more. Here are three things you can implement today. First, check your child's pen grip. Are they gripping too tight? The pen should rest between thumb and index finger with the middle finger supporting a relaxed and a comfortable grip. Second, check their posture. Feet flat, back straight, elbow on table, paper slightly tilted. Third, Do finger flexion exercise before the writing session. 5 simple movements that warm up the writing muscles. If you want a scientific assessment of your child's handwriting across all 5 elements and a personalized 30-day improvement program, DM me penmanship on comment at the Mind Soul Codes. If you like this video, if it gave you value, subscribe to the Mind Soul Codes for weekly content on handwriting, mindset, and child development. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep writing, keep growing.